Hi friends, today I'm very sad. You know why? Because my favorite singer KK has passed away, and he has done so while he was performing a live show in Kolkata, my city, and I can't get over it. I'm so sad. I am born in 1985, and being a 90s kid, I know what KK was all about. Each of my precious memories are tied to KK. Each song of KK has gone into my heart. So it brings me a great sadness to even imagine that KK is no more. Alright? Hi friends, it's time for my monthly sales video for the month of May. Right, so the month of May has ended and I have compiled my total sales video. I will not be talking through the entire video. I will be showing you what are my total sales, what is the total number of money that I have got from each agency, and of course I'll be showing you the total amount at the end of the video. Please note that I have now almost 3,300 photos across all agencies. Means I am a non-exclusive contributor. I have 3,300 photos approximately. Same photos in all agencies except in Adobe Stock, where I have around 1,250 photos, because once my profile was blocked and I made a new profile where I uploaded only new content. Alright, so I hope you like this video. Let's get started. So guys, if you have watched this video till now, please type the code word KK in the comment section as a tribute to my favorite singer. And I hope I'll see you soon with another video, and please take care of your health. Alright, bye and take care.